Mulunag and very warm welcome to you all to the Fiji Islands. I hope that you will enjoy the Fiji hospitality. It is both an honor and a pleasure for me to be here this morning to open this workshop for Pacific Island States on integrated nuclear security support plans. At the outset, I would like to thank the International Atomic Energy Agency for the initiative to convene this workshop and also for the financial support to enable this workshop to be held for the Pacific region. The IAEA states in a number of studies and documents that the risk that nuclear or other radioactive material could be used in criminal or international unauthorized acts remains a matter of concern internationally and continues to be regarded as a threat to international security. Under the auspices of the IAEA, it is well recognized that the responsibility for nuclear security rests entirely with each state, and that appropriate and effective national systems for nuclear security are vital in facilitating the peaceful use of nuclear energy and enhancing global efforts to combat nuclear terrorism. The IAEA notes that significant growth is anticipated over the coming years in the use of nuclear application in general and nuclear power programs in particularly by more developed and industrialized countries. This will require a sustained focus on nuclear security infrastructure to enable the continued secure use of the peaceful application for nuclear energy. For our region in the Pacific, we do not possess nuclear power, nor is there any general move to acquiring nuclear power or nuclear weapons. This being said, in the Pacific, we have been very strong advocates for the peaceful use of nuclear energy, as we have seen firsthand the harmful effects of nuclear power with the testing of at the Christmas Island in the Northern Pacific. In fact, Fiji has just over the past few months provided financial compensation for more than 200 of our naval personnel who were used as guinea pigs in the testing that went on Christmas Island during the 1960s. The Pacific, relatively free of nuclear energy sources and weapons, thus possess radioactive sources which are used in our medical, mining, industrial, and academic sectors. Thus, there is still a need for our countries to be mindful of the threat that these sources can pose if they are not securely transported, stored, used, and disposed of. The fact of the matter is that these radioactive sources can also be weaponized and used against our people if they fall into the wrong hands. This workshop is therefore timely and relevant. The overall objective of an integrated nuclear security support plan, INSSP, is to identify and consolidate the nuclear security needs of state into documents which will provide a framework for the state, the IAEA, and potential donors to implement related activities to ensure nuclear security, which in our case is the security of our various radioactive sources. I believe that the key objective of this workshop is to ensure that the participating states leave at the end of this workshop with a fair idea of how to go about developing their own INSSP. For Fiji and my ministry in particular, we are committed to developing our INSSP in our 2015 annual corporate plan and hope to have this completed by October of this year. Ladies and gentlemen, in this globalized world, we need to have robust mechanisms in place to be able to properly track and record the movement of nuclear and radioactive sources, whether through legal or illicit channels, by ensuring that our respective states develop INSSP and have a proper mechanism at our borders to report and share information on the movement of these sources will ensure that there is a robust framework for nuclear security across our region. Workshop participants, I urge you to make the most of the the next couple of days, and the opportunity to engage with our colleges while experience from the IAEA and learn from each other. Our colleagues from the IAEA, once again, I wish to thank you for making this workshop possible. And without further ado, I now take pleasure in declaring this workshop officially open. Now,